Welcome to the deep dive. We check out your sources and give you the insights you need.
That's right.
Today, we're diving into the world of online beauty shopping, specifically looking at a site called Belleenelle.com.
Ah, yes, Belleenelle. Seen this one pop up.
We've got a review here, and basically our mission is to figure out if it's a safe bet for, those fancy beauty tools or if those low prices are maybe hiding something.
It's a really common dilemma online, isn't it? And the source review, it starts by pointing out something interesting. Belleenelle.com looks really good.
Totally. Super professional, clean design, the product photos are nice. It gives off that high-end vibe.
Exactly. It nails the visual presentation, which is the first step in getting you interested.
But here's the twist, and this is where it gets tricky. The prices.
Mm-hmm.
The source mentions some really tempting deals. Big discounts, maybe even, as the source puts it, excessive discounts.
Right, that's the hook.
Like they point out of a line lifting strip for just $18.95 or a sonic cleansing brush for $41.95.
Wow, okay. Yeah, those prices are definitely attention-grabbing.
And that's the thing, right? It feels like a huge win.
It does, and that plays right into shopper psychology. You see a number like that, and the rational part of your brain might just take a back seat for a second.
But the source says that's the first red flag, that classic saying.
If it looks too good to be true.
It probably is. Or at least you need to ask some serious questions about why it's so cheap. Like, what's the real value? Where's it actually coming from?
Precisely. So the deals pull you in, but then the review starts digging a bit deeper past the shiny surface.
Okay, so looking under the hood, what did they find? What about the website's actual structure?
This is where things get a little concerning. We talk about trust signals in online retail. These are the basic things a legitimate business should have.
Like what? An address, contact info?
Yeah, exactly. Things like a clear About Us page telling who the company is, a proper physical address, not just a P.O. box or nothing at all.
And easy to find contact details, a decent return policy.
Definitely. And maybe some real verified customer reviews, not just testimonials they might have written themselves. Belleenelle.com, according to the source, is missing a lot of these.
So minimal contact info, vague returns, no real company identity.
Pretty much, it creates this feeling of anonymity. You don't really know who you're buying from. It's like a storefront with no one behind the counter.
That lack of transparency is worrying enough, but then there's the question about the products themselves, their origin.
Right. This is maybe the biggest piece of the puzzle. The review noticed that the product photos and even the descriptions, they look really familiar.
Familiar how?
Like stuff you see all over platforms like AliExpress or other, drop shipping hubs.
Ah, okay. So the implication is these aren't exclusive high-end items made by Belleenelle.
It strongly suggests that yes. It implies they might just be sourcing cheaper, generic products from third-party suppliers and then presenting them as premium. That $18.95 lifting strip might actually cost pennies to source.
And that connects back to the trust signals, doesn't it? If they're not transparent about who they are, they're probably not going to be upfront about where the products come from either.
Exactly. It raises questions about authenticity, about quality control, about what you're actually getting for your money.
Plus, if it's drop-shipped, shipping times could be really long, right? And customer service might be tough if there's an issue because Belleenelle doesn't even handle the product directly.
All potential issues, yes. So the overall verdict from the source isn't that it's necessarily a scam in the sense that they just take your money and run.
Okay, so it seems to be a functioning store. Like you order, something eventually arrives.
It appears that way, yes.
Yeah.
It functions, but, and this is a big but, it operates with very limited transparency and raises serious questions about product authenticity and origin.
So for you listening, if you're still tempted by that sonic brush deal, what's the takeaway? What should you do?
Caution is key. Extreme caution. And the review gives one really crucial piece of advice. If you decide to order anyway, protect yourself. Use a secure payment method, specifically PayPal or a credit card,
Why those?
because they have buyer protection programs built in. If the item doesn't arrive, or it's significantly not as described, you have a process to dispute the charge and potentially get your money back. It's like buying insurance for a risky purchase.
Gotcha. So it's not saying the product is good, just that you have some recourse if things go wrong.
Precisely. It's risk mitigation when you're dealing with a seller who hasn't earned your trust through transparency.
Okay, so bringing it all together, this look at Belleenelle.com really highlights why you can't judge an online store just by its looks or its deals.
Absolutely. You need to actively look for those signs of legitimacy, clear company info, fair policies, real contact options, accountability matters.
It makes you think, doesn't it, about the trade-offs we make online?
It does. And maybe that's the final thought for you to consider. When you see a massive discount online, especially from a site that feels a bit thin on details, are you really just buying a product cheap, or are you actually paying for the risk you're taking?
Hmm. How much is that lack of transparency actually costing you, even if the price tag looks low? Something to definitely keep in mind next time you shop online.